live. Let the game begin.
Today we are checking out something really cool here in Dallas, Netflix House. And one thing I did not realize before coming here is that you don't necessarily have to buy a ticket just to come inside and look around. So even if you don't want to do all of the paid experiences, you can still come check this place out. Okay, this already feels completely different from what I was expecting. There is Netflix stuff everywhere, and if you watch a lot of these shows, you're going to recognize a lot of things immediately. Let me show you guys around first, and then we'll check out some of the experiences. Guys, this is probably one of the coolest things about Netflix House. Instead of just seeing these shows on your TV, they have actually created places where you can walk around and experience some of that world in real life. And look at this. This is the famous red light, green light doll from Squid Game. If you have watched the show, you will definitely know her. Seeing her in real life is actually kind of creepy. Just make sure you don't move when she turns around. And look at this. The doors are being opened by the famous guards from Squid Game. You can see them in their iconic pink uniforms and masks. It really feels like we just stepped into the show. Now it's a mugshot time. I haven't even started the game yet and they are already treating me like a criminal.
If you are small, step back, you will be seen. Once you are done, find a dot to stand on.
And as we walk further inside, there are even more Squid Game guards. And look up there, that's the giant prize money hanging above us. Alright guys, the game has officially started. This one is inspired by the glass breeze game from Squid Game. There's a glass underneath us and we have to figure out the correct numbers to move forward. Get it wrong and in the Squid Game world you are eliminated. Let's see if I can make it across. Guys, game was fun but I died. It is what it is. Alright guys, this is the second game and you just have to drop the marbles and compete against these other players. Now we are on the third game. This one is basically Squid Game's version of musical chairs. You move around while the music is playing and when it stops you have to quickly find your spot. Things are definitely more competitive now. Look at this. All three of them landed on the exact same spot. So now there's only one way to decide the winner. It's traditional rock, paper, scissors. Only one of them gets to move on.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Ah! We have our winners. Everyone give it up. In there. Winners on our side. Right there. Blue team, line up, spread out. Spread out.
Please enter the room. File all the way in, but stand behind the line. You may now.
And finally, this is the game I've been waiting for. Red light, green light. This is probably the most iconic game for Squid Game. And I'll actually get to play it. Let's see if I can survive this one.
Green light. Red light. Player 3, 49. Player 2. There's Liz.
Don't embarrass me, Claire. Let's go. Do that.
You've chosen your places to handle carefully. At this banquet, anything can happen. If you believe, this is our top-ranked player. Welcome. You have earned your place.
Let's get a drum roll. Drum roll.
Congratulations, player. You have made it through each and every one of our tries. Now, winner, your prize.
The final game, Jack in the Box, is also done. This was pretty awesome experience.
Look at that door right there.
And guys, after you finish the games, you can also come into this room, sit down and take some really cool Squid Game theme photos. It's a nice little photo spot to end the experience. One of the staff told me that there's even more upstairs. I have no idea what's up there, so let's go check out and see what we find. Guys, I'm hungry now, so it's time to eat.
क्लोज यहाँ मात्रै हो कि